So, disconnected the clip for power window motor, and I want to give it direct power, see if I can't get it to activate. It shuts off my box.
Fun.
So it's back on. Nothing. So we're going to try and reverse it, just to be on the safe side. So we know we've tried all possibilities. Yep. Turns the box off again. So the motor is completely fried. So we have to get a window motor for this one. And we're going to look into, I got to do a little bit more investigating on this door panel, or this door that is, to figure out where the assembly is for this one, because it's supposed to be power. And as you can very well see, it's not.
Yeah.
So I don't know if the the assembly is completely gone. Lovely.
Yay.
If it isn't one thing, it's another.